Nice. Nice. Ah! There you go.
Nice. Be careful.
Only gonna get the one guy.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. Set up well. A. Oh. That was really close.
Yeah, I almost did it.
Damn. Alright. Doing a little better so far.
90 something and 26 something.
So apparently they have different behaviors. Their AI patterns. I didn't know that.
Really? Oh.
Damn. It's risky. Yeah, like some of them are more avoidant, they like to keep different distances.
Depending upon the type they are.
Yeah, their color. They have names.
Oh! It was jammed up.
I'm not gonna go for it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice.
I could have gone for more, but
Hey, you made it though.
right into the mouth of the beast.
Fast one. Yeah, fast one. Yeah, come on.
Nice.
Oh, God, I didn't realize there were two of them there.
Whoa. Oh, you can come out on that side too. Oh. You didn't know?
It's this level. It's different each level. Alright.
Okay. Oh, shoot. I was trying. Game over. Okay. That's it. End live stream. How do we end it? How do we end it?